Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Goel and in this video we are going to solve x power 1 by 2 minus x power 1 by 3 divided by 4 is equals to 1 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I am taking the numerator to side. So x power 1 by 2 minus x power 1 by 3. So as we can see, both are in power, so we make the denominator same. So to make the denominators same, we'll take LCD or LCM of denominator, that is 2 and 3 is 6. So to make it 6, we multiply numerator and denominator in first with 3 and in second with 2. So it becomes x power 3 by 6 minus x power 2 by 6. Now we know the famous exponent property, that is x power m power n is equals to x power mn. So we can write it as x power 1 by 6 power 3 minus x power 1 by 6 power 2 in place of it. So let's substitute. So x power 1 by 6 power 3 minus x power 1 by 6 power 2 divided by 4 is equals to 1. Now we are going to substitute. Let x power 1 by 6 is equals to p. So we can write it as pq minus p square divided by 4 is equals to 1. Now we are going to multiply with 4 both sides. So we can eliminate this. So what is left? pq minus p square. We'll take this plus 4 to other side. Minus 4 is equals to 0. Now we can write the middle term as pq minus 2p square plus p square minus 4 is equals to 0. Now from first two terms, I can take p square as common. So p minus 2 plus 1 as common. So p square minus 4. So p square minus 4. Here we can use the famous identity, that is a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b. So p square minus 4, we can write it as 2 square. So it becomes p plus 2 and p minus 2. So p square, p minus 2 plus p plus 2 and p minus 2 is equals to 0. Now from first the brackets, we can take p minus 2 as common. So what is left? P square plus p plus 2 is equals to 0. Now we have two cases. Case 1, when p minus 2 is equals to 0. So p is equals to 2. Now case second, p square plus p plus 2 is equals to 0. So we can use it here, discriminant b square minus 4ac. We'll check. So b square is coefficient of p, that is 1 square, minus 4a is coefficient of p square, that is 1, and c is the constant term, that is 2. So 1 square minus 8 is minus 7, which is less than 0. And if the discriminant is less than 0, so there is no real solution. So we'll reject this case and accept this case. So p is equals to 2. So as we know that, we substitute p. So x power 1 by 6 is equals to p. So we're going to substitute the value. So x power 1 by 6 is equals to p. So x power 1 by 6 is equals to 2. So we multiply the power 6 both sides. So here we eliminate it. So x is equals to 2 power 6. So the value of x is 2 power 6. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.